Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. First, locate the Instagram app icon on your phone and tap on it to open the app. Next, navigate to your direct messages by tapping in the top right corner of the home screen. Once you're in your direct messages, open the chat where you want to turn off the Vanish mode. In the chat, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal Vanish mode. If Vanish mode is on, you will see the screen change to a dark theme, indicating that messages are set to disappear after they are seen. To turn off the Vanish mode, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen again. The screen will return to its normal appearance, indicating that Vanish mode is now off. Another way to turn off the Vanish mode is to tap on the profile icon at the top of the screen in the chat. Then, select Privacy and Safety. Look for the Vanish mode option among the settings and tap on the toggle switch to turn off the Vanish mode. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.